Yes, good afternoon, students. In the previous video, we have done one activity. Yes, today again you are ready to do one more activity. Yes, very good. In the previous activity, what we have done? We have collected the things which are shiny and we have keep them on the one side of the table, and on another side we have kept the things which are not shiny. Then what you have called the shiny things? That shiny things are called lustrous things. Means things that have shine are known as lustrous things, and the material that are not shiny are called non-lustrous thing. Now today we are ready to do one more activity. Yes, students. Yes, again take round into your house. Search out the things. Yes, search out the things that are easy to press, that you can press. Pick up each and everything one by one and try to press those things that are easy to press. Collect them and come near to the table and keep on one side of the table the things that can be pressed. Yes, very good, very good. Collect all the things, keep all the things on the table that can press. Yes, now again move back, again move all around into your house, into the kitchen, and pick up the things one by one. Pick up, and now again press the things. Now you have to collect the things that are difficult to compress, that can't be pressed. Now pick up those things, bring them near the table, keep it on one side of the table. Yes, you have collected all the things that cannot be pressed, and you have collected on the other side of the table. Good, very good. Now, what do you call the things that are easy to compress? That materials are known as soft materials, and the other materials that are difficult to compress are called hard material. Very good. Now you can take one A4 sheet. On the A4 sheet, write down soft material and keep it near the soft materials, and another side where you have collected the things that are difficult to compress, there on A4 sheet write down hard materials. In this way you have now done one more activity. That activity names is to find out the things on the basis of property hardness, and this activity you have to write down on the practical file. On the practical file, how you have to write down this activity? First you have to write down with black gel pen. Aim to classify the given materials as hard or soft. Then you have to write down materials required. Materials, whatever materials you have collected from the house, you have to write down those materials. For example, you have collected wood, wool, stone, cotton, foam, sponge, pebbles, iron nails, spoon, and silk cloth. Then method you have to write down, heading with the black pen and points with the blue pen. First point you have to write down, pick up provided material one by one and try to press each other. Then second point you have to write down on the practical file, group all the materials that you could press in the column soft, and then group all the material that you could not press in the column hard. In this way you have to prepare the table also on the white sheet. In the practical file there is one white sheet, and in front of white sheet there are another page of lines page. Then on white sheet you have to prepare this table, or in this table you have to draw 3 columns. One column you have to write down material, another column soft, and then hard. The materials: wood. Wood is, you have to press. Wood can't be pressed, so you have to write in front of wood hard. And in the column soft you have to put dash. In this way you have to write down this experiment on your practical file in a very much neat hand. And on, yes students, on Wednesday your weekly test will be held. In the weekly test you have to learn lesson 2. So prepare for the lesson 2. Objective type weekly test will be there. Objective type means 1 mark question answers will be there in the weekly test. So start preparation. And on Wednesday, be ready for test. That's all from my side. Thank you very much, students.